Wireworms damage tomato roots, causing wilting. Chemical treatments are dangerous because fruits absorb toxins. Instead, use raw potato traps. Cut potatoes into wedges, thread them onto sticks, and insert into the soil to a depth of 10 centimeters to attract these pests effectively. Wireworms are attracted to the smell of starch. After 2 to 3 days, remove the wedges and destroy the dozens of larvae collected on them. Place traps in inter-row spaces, especially where plants died. Use 10 to 15 traps per 100 square meters for large areas. Replace potato wedges every 3 to 4 days until wireworms disappear, typically taking 2 weeks. Boiled vegetables work too. Boil potatoes or carrots until half cooked. Cut them, thread onto fishing line, and bury at 10 to 15 centimeters depth. Boiled vegetables have a stronger scent, attracting wireworms faster. Wireworm larvae live in soil for 3 to 4 years, so traps catch only a portion of the population. Repeat trapping every summer. In autumn, dig soil to expose larvae to freezing. Rotate crops. Do not plant potatoes where tomatoes were grown to break the pest life cycle permanently. Soil pests belong to orders like Coleoptera and Diptera. Cutworms wrap around stems at night, severing them near the ground, then return to soil at sunrise. Fungus gnats feed on root hairs and vector root rot. Prevention requires neem oil and allowing substrate to dry between waterings. Potato discs help monitor gnat larvae in interior scapes where sticky traps are impractical. Use quarter-inch discs and change them frequently to detect larvae and isolate problem containers. This simple method reduces larval numbers and provides population monitoring without destroying the soil ecosystem structure or harming beneficial organisms. Ecoacoustics uses sound to survey soil biodiversity and health. The soil acoustic meter is a handheld recorder with a probe. Press the probe into the soil and follow guidelines for 10 samples per setting. Upload data via USB-C to get automated reports within 48 hours without destructive lab analysis. Traditional sampling is destructive and offers static snapshots. Ecoacoustics detects sounds of healthy soil, stridulating beetle larvae, and moving earthworms. This technology enhances spatial and temporal resolution, revealing cryptic behaviors and dial rhythms. It provides early warning signals of ecosystem stress without disturbing the living soil matrix. Soil is a dark, opaque three-dimensional matrix with fine-scale heterogeneity. Organisms are often small and cryptic, creating the enigma of soil animal diversity. Traditional methods rely on manual extraction or chemical expulsion, providing only atomized snapshots. Modern molecular techniques still require physical sampling, missing continuous behavioral dynamics and microhabitat distributions. The Antismage Typhoon is an eco-friendly device repelling snakes, moles, and shrews from areas up to 450 square meters. It emits vibrational waves and infrasound through the soil between 200 and 600 Hz. Regular frequency changes prevent adaptation. Place it at plot edges with dense soil contact. Ultrasonic repellers use high-frequency sound waves above 20 kHz. Claims suggest they cause nervous system overstimulation or mimic bat sounds. However, scientific consensus shows weak efficacy. Rodents habituate within days, and most insects lack sensitive hearing. Ultrasonic devices often fail to provide sustained repulsion in real-world conditions. Ultrasonic devices are ineffective against fungus gnats. Gnats navigate via humidity gradients and carbon dioxide plumes, not acoustics. A meta-analysis of greenhouse trials confirmed statistically significant reduction in gnat populations from ultrasonic emitters. Relying on these devices wastes time and money without disrupting the pest life cycle. Effective control requires disrupting the life cycle. Target dryness at 2 to 3 centimeters depth. Use Bacillus thuringiensis israelensis drenches to kill larvae safely. Entomopathogenic nematodes like Steinernema feltiae hunt deeper in the soil profile. Combined with proper watering, this biological approach achieves over 95% control within 10 days. Essential oils offer a natural alternative to synthetic pesticides. Components like carvacrol and eugenol have insecticidal effects against weevils and other pests. They are biodegradable and safe for humans. Nanoencapsulation stabilizes these volatile oils, prolonging their biocidal action and preventing rapid degradation by moisture, light, or air in the soil. Managing soil pests requires a complex approach. Combine physical traps like potato wedges with biological controls such as nematodes and essential oils. Avoid ineffective ultrasonic gadgets. Monitor soil health using ecoacoustics to detect activity patterns. Sustainable stewardship of the potting mix ecosystem ensures long-term protection for your crops.